Hey there! Today we are going to make penne alla vodka, except without the vodka. So this dish was my favorite thing to eat before I went vegan, and since becoming vegan, I decided to recreate this dish to be just as amazing as the original. And I do that with cashews. So let's get started. I'm going to add the cashews to the blender. And then I've taken the juice from a can of whole tomatoes, and I'm going to add that as well. Some salt, and a little bit of vinegar to bring out all the flavors. And then we're going to blend that. So now I'm going to chop up some basil for this. So what I really love about this dish is that it's decadently comforting. The cashews have a buttery flavor, but they make a really creamy texture, and it's just amazing. We're going to add this into the finished sauce. So let's get our basil back in here, and then we're going to take it over and saute our onions and garlic and get everything together. So I've already added my shallots into my pan, and then I'm also going to add my chopped up tomatoes that were from the can of whole tomatoes. I'll just add that right in there. And then some minced garlic. Now I'm just gonna saute all these together. So I'm also going to salt the tomatoes and onions and garlic. Just stir that in. And as you're cooking, the tomato juices start to brown the bottom of the pan, and traditionally that's where the vodka is used to deglaze the pan. So instead I just use a little vinegar and it works the same way. So just a few splashes. All right, so now that our tomatoes and vegetables are cooked, I'm going to add the basil in. Stir that around for a second. And then add the sauce. Just want to mix it all together. So now we're going to add the sauce and toss it all together. And this is the perfect dish to serve to non-vegan friends. It's my go-to for dinner parties because it really is just the kind of dish that wows everyone, and they'll never know that there isn't actually heavy cream in it. So serve this up family style and add a sprig of basil. Until next time, remember to be kind to all kinds.